Hello friends, welcome to my digital friend channel. Today we will learn how to arrange 10 ID card in 8x12 size documents automatically in a batch. Photoshop have inbuilt functions that is useful for creating the contact sheets without the help of action script. I have only 10 ID cards, but you can use these functions to arrange 100 ID card within a second. Let's have a try. First you have to click the File tab in the menu bar, then select the Automate option. Under the Automate option, the Contact Sheet function appear. Just click this. You can see the windows of Contact Sheet with all the options. You can choose the folder where your ID cards are located. Unclick the Include subfolder. Because we do not have any subfolder, mention the size of the document, that is 8x12 inch, with a resolution of the ID card was set. Choose the pixel per inch option. If you want to flatten the ID card in the 8x12 documents, then use this option. Choose the number of columns or the vertical position of the ID cards, then use the number of rows or the horizontal position of the ID cards. You can use auto spacing, but you can set it manually, as I have set the vertical space to 0.4 inch and the horizontal space to 0.3 inch. The rotate option is not needed. If want to print the file name, then choose this option. You can save these settings for further use by clicking the Save option. The Load option is used for previously saved settings. Reset option is used for reset all the settings. Now it is ready to start the magic. It is now beautifully arranged. You can see the file name ContactSheet 001 because only 10 ID cards are there in the folder. If you have more than 10 ID card, it will subsequently arrange and automatically create and rename the contact sheet serially. We need your valuable comments. Thanks for watching tutorial in my digital friend channel. Thank you once again.